guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I have another meal planning video for you guys, and I will be planning for November 15th through the 24th, and that's actually more than a week just because we will be gone for the week of Thanksgiving. So I am just planning until Sunday the 24th. But before I actually do my meal planning, I wanted to show you guys my inventory for my fridge, what's in my fridge, what's in my pantry, and what's in my freezer before I actually go on with the meal planning. So I will be inserting that right now. Here is my fridge. I'm gonna do a little bit of inventory in my fridge before I make my meal plan, and I'm gonna show you guys what we have. Start from the top. So we still have carton milk, and we have a little bit more of the eggnog, and we got some almond milk in the back and coffee creamer, and we got some avocados. I think I'm gonna be making some guac with that for a dish, and then so we have applesauce, and we have applesauce in the pantry. Got a little bit more of the spinach, and we got some edamame, and we have a lot of the green grapes, and we have 4 packs of the croissant, what is it called? The crescent rolls, and then a package of the bagels from Kirkland's. I put it in the fridge because if you leave it out on the counter, it's gonna it gets bad, like he's like super fast. So I just put that in the fridge so it doesn't get moldy right away. And then here you got some cheese and lunch meat, and some recipes for grilled cheese or sandwiches. Then we still have eggs and 2 more croissants, and I also put this in the fridge because it goes bad super fast. And I think we have like a dozen more eggs, and then we have just a little bit of leftovers and some raspberries, and we still have a lot of veggies in here. I could make like a stir fry, and I'm gonna use that for the dishes, chicken tacos and stuff. And then we have a lot of romaine, like a salad, chicken salad maybe. So that's how the fridge looks, and here is my freezer. So the top is just like ice, like dessert, like Eden likes to freeze candy, chocolate. So we have like chocolate bars, and we have the popsicles in there. And then on this shelf we have like a garlic bread with some lumpias, frozen lumpias. And then we got like the mini pancakes. And here we got, this is like my fruit basket. I have like frozen bananas that's almost gonna go bad. And then we have some strawberries, and we got some more edamame and cauliflower rice. And then here we have like packets of bacon, and the wontons, some ice cream. There's like a bag of chicken nuggets that's almost done. And then we got some ice cream. And then over here, I think this is Eden's like frozen turkey patties. So he likes to eat that since he really can't have like any like red meats, so he got some. So he has turkey patties. So yeah, so this is my fridge inventory, and then now I'm gonna show you guys my pantry. All right, so a quick look of my pantry. We have plenty of snacks, like the Cheez-Its and the pretzels, and then we're running low on this was the fruit snacks. We're all out of that. And then we have these never-ending Fritos, the original. The kids don't like it, so I'm gonna actually give those away. And then we still have a box of the trail mix, and I'm gonna put this up here so the kids can see it. It is the applesauce, and we still have I think 1 bag of Cheerios. We have a lot of breakfast items. We have the pancakes and the oatmeal and some random, random cereal that the kids really need to eat up because they chose those cereals. And then right there, there's some baking. We'll put that right there. There's some baking items. And then I'm running low on rice. We need to get some rice. And then we actually need to put this on the, where I put all my cans up here so I could see it, so I could actually use it. We have plenty of pastas. And cheeses needs to go here. Sorry, I just finished working out, so I'm like out of breath, if you guys noticed. But yeah, so we got mac and cheese for after school or like fast dinners, and also some top ramen. So this is overview of my pantry. So this is my garage freezer, and it's a stand-up one. I got this like probably over 5 or 6 years ago, and I got it for $50 at a buy sell trade. But so we have some chimichangas and some hot pockets. We still have a lot, and then we still have more over here. I got this one was the ham and cheddar. The kids didn't like it, so I just put it here. So if Eden wanted it, I think there's an extra chimichanga right there. But we have plenty of the freezer snacks, after school snacks, and we also have a big old bag of Tyson chicken nuggets and a bag of tortilla back there, and more of this packet, and I also have a lunch meat back there. So I could probably put this here so I could see it. Put it right there so I could see it. And then we still have, these are our meats. We have the ground turkey still, ground beef, and I think more ground turkey. And we have orange chicken from Costco, cheddar cheese, some shrimp, and we have a roast. And these are all our chickens. We have 2 things of chicken breast and 4 packets of the chicken thighs. And we have a turkey. So this is how the freezer looks. And on this side, we got some more frozen Danimals. The kids will take that to school. And then we also have some steaks that I need to like use up. So maybe we'll do that after Thanksgiving. So that's how my garage freezer looks. So now that we've seen all of my inventory, again, I'm just gonna go over what I have in my freezer so I could decide which meals I will be making. And so we still have 1 pound of ground beef, 2 of the pack of bacons, and then 3 of the 1 pound ground turkey, 4 chicken thighs, 2 chicken breasts, and 1 2-pound shrimp bag. And I also have a box of orange chicken from Costco, and that has 2 packs in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start that. And just to let you guys know, I also have a what's for dinner video, and this was actually my meal plan for November 8th through the 14th. And this is the meals that I created and cooked for that, and I will be posting a video of my what's for dinner for the week after this video. So I'll probably be posted tomorrow or the next day. So let's go ahead and let's get started with what I'm gonna be planning to cook. And then so I'm gonna have this over here so I could check. And then so I'm gonna write down the days of for these dates. So I'm gonna write down this is gonna be Thursday. No, it's gonna be Friday actually. So this is Friday, and then Saturday, and then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I've written that down, and that's what I actually do. I write down the dates and then the days. And then so Friday, I will be making ground turkey with veggies. And these dishes, it's going to be also posted into what's my dinner videos. So if you guys want to check how it looks after it's cooked, you could go ahead and check out those videos. And then so I'm going to do ground turkey with veggies. And then Sunday I'm serving. So I'm going to put down the days that we're going to be busy or we're doing something in the evening time. And then also Saturday we have our volunteer lunch dinner. It's going to be lunch. And then Wednesday I'm also going to be serving. And then on Friday we have a birthday party that we're going to be going to. Eden and myself. So the kids are going to be with family. So Saturday we're going to be gone pretty much all day, so it's going to be leftovers. And then Sunday I made salmon sinigang, as you guys could see here. I made salmon sinigang Wednesday, and I didn't cook all of it, so I had leftovers. So I am going to make baked salmon with that. So it's going to be, I'm going to show you. Baked salmon with rice. And then Monday I will be making orange chicken with rice also. And Tuesday I'll be making chicken tacos. And then Wednesday I'll be serving, so we're gonna do easy. It's gonna be rice and tea. It's like a Japanese rice packet. It's like a seasoning packet, and then we just pour that seasoning packet over the rice and get like boiling water on top of it. It's really good. And then, or we could have leftovers. I'm pretty sure we will have leftover chicken tacos, hopefully. So leftover leftovers. And then on Thursday I'm thinking of making Japanese beef curry. Ground beef curry, ground beef. And then birthday party, so I'm thinking we're just gonna get pizza. And then Saturday I'm just gonna do salads because we still have a whole bunch of salads in the fridge. So I'm just gonna make salad, like a Cobb salad maybe, Cobb or whatever salad they want, because we still have eggs and we still have a lot of veggies in there in the fridge, so we need to eat that up. And then Sunday is we're gonna eat all the leftovers because we need to finish, because we're not going to be here. Like I said, Thanksgiving week we're going to be out of town. We'll be going to Disneyland, Knott's Berry Farm, and of course Eden's family, so we're going to be hanging out there. So that's why my food budget, actually, because our pay period starts the 25th, which is Monday, and then I'm gonna slash the grocery budget in half, and I'm gonna actually use that half of the grocery budget into like our eating out, our restaurant. So it's gonna be really, really good. So we'll have that in addition to our fun money, family fun money. So it's gonna be, we'll have enough for eating out, the snacks at Disneyland and at Knott's. So it'll be good. We're so excited. Eden's off for the whole week, and I am so excited for vacation. So leave a comment down below if you guys are going to be in town or out of town for Thanksgiving. If you're hosting Thanksgiving this year, I am not hosting. We will be going to my aunt's house, and we are so excited for that. So yeah, so this is my meal plan for the week. For actually, how many of these is that? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days of meals. So I will be posting this also and creating a what's for dinner video. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm hoping that you guys are having a wonderful day and have a wonderful Thanksgiving week with your family and your loved ones. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.